You can now make your diplomas personalized by using our Diploma Builder. Everything you need is your PDF diploma in which you have left some space where you wish to generate variables. The final result can look like this. To create a diploma, go to Library, Materials, and choose Add Materials. Thereafter, click Diploma. Name your diploma and add a description. Select Regional Formatting and thereafter add the PDF file. We have now come to the fun part. Make your diploma personalized by adding dynamic content. For example, add the variable name and place it wherever you want. This will automatically generate the name of the receiving participant. I would also like to add project name as well as date and instructor name. You can also brand the dynamic content by changing font, size, and color. It is also possible to add a static text block. Preview the diploma by clicking Preview PDF. Note that the project name won't be visible in the preview as it is not yet connected to a project. When you're happy with your result, click Add Diploma. It's now time to add the diploma to a course. Go to the course and the tab Overview. Under Awards, click Attach and choose your diploma. From Price Plan Professional, you can also create certificates. The difference between a diploma and a certificate is that a certificate has more settings. For example, a certificate can expire, and a user, manager, or administrator can automatically be notified when a certificate is about to expire. To create a certificate, go to Library, choose Materials, Add Materials, and thereafter Certificate. However, a certificate can contain a personalized PDF just like diplomas. To add the certificate to a course, go to the course and the tab Overview. Under Awards, click Attach and choose your certificate. When a participant has completed the course, it looks like this. They can always go back to Awards to find all their diplomas and certificates.